Hey guys, welcome back to the channel. In this episode, I'm going to finish off the intake and we're going to go for a drive so we can do some logging. Stay tuned. Alright guys, going to finish up the intake today, so need to weld on a bung here, finish off this line, get that dividing part in there for the box, hopefully get a filter on there somehow, and we'll put the top back on. First up, we need to clean up this mess here from when I did the brakes on the Golf, so I can get to the bench over there to weld. Alright, be back when I've done that. Alrighty guys, it's cleaned up a bit. Now what we need to do is weld this fella on to this pipe here. Now I was going to put it underneath, but yeah, I think I might still. Make sure I get it right. Alright guys, so I'm actually going to put the fitting or hose end on the top. It's going to be a lot easier to service, and it'll run the same line as those cables there. I found the leak from last video. It's actually this hose here, so it's that right here, but on the bottom let's cut it a bit shorter. It should reach. That's most likely why I've been losing water. Well, that doesn't look very good, but it'll do. Cleaned up on the inside. Just gotta let it cool down. Change this over for the cutting disc, and I'll chop the hose and put the fitting on. Alright guys, finally got the hose end on. Had to actually modify it a little bit. I had to cut about 2mm off the end to realise it was about that much longer, and I couldn't actually get the thread started. So that's what's wrong with these eBay ones. Just this little bit here is just too long to be able to start the threads. So did that, done on fine. Still waiting for this to cool down. It's not too bad. Got to clean it out, as you can see, and get the hose clamps on, and yeah, we'll put this in for the last time, hopefully. Alrighty guys, these clamps aren't tight yet, but there we have it. It's on, it's routed. I'm actually going to put, where is it? Here it is. I'm going to put this down here somewhere. keep them together. Make sure they don't go into the AC or anything like that. Haven't got any clamps on here yet. Still not 100% sure of that just yet. Obviously, yeah, we need to get a filter on there, but probably after a tune, this section will be gone anyway, so the filter will probably just go straight onto there. So yeah, also need to put the filter on there. It's down here, so I need to get this fella on. It's going to be a bit hard. It's like right in the way, isn't it? Guess I could face it down into there. Yeah, that's come up quite good with that, following the line of the throttle. Still need to fix this actually. Alright guys, so I got the fitting on that. Actually pushed it down, I did it in there, pushed it back up, and got the filter on. It's just sitting down. So yeah, it's good. Happy with that. Should be a little less loud. So normally you can hear that over everything. So let's put the top back on. Cut this, fix it, and fill it up maybe if it needs it. And you get a new radiator, a new cap. Still got a bit in there. Actually, since it's got up to temp and thermostat opened and the fans went on, all the actual coolant, the green coolant, came through the system. So yeah, let's check that on. Alrighty, that is on. Just need to get those two little fake ones in there. Let's get that out. They are tight, that's tight. They don't need bit there. Back over there. So what we need to do now is fix this hose. Oh yeah. And should have enough length there. So I've already chopped it. Here's the bit that I chopped, and there is the split. Hello. Alright, so that is fixed. I also put a little line bracket here to keep those together so they don't go near the belts. Belt at the moment, but it will be belts. Before oil was good, so I don't need to worry about that. Put a little bit more water in and get her started. She's looking good, boys. Alrighty guys, so just going to start it up, let it warm up in the garage, and then we'll head out. So I'll hook up the Samsung to OBD, have a look on torque, look at everything there, then I'll verbally say now when I click to log it, so I can track it when I'm editing and see where things are. So I'll have a little play around with that while it's warming up, and yeah, see if it sounds any different with obviously the catch can hooked up and the filter on the sump. Got my co-driver Marley. Say hello.
Hello.
It's been a while, hasn't it?
Yeah.
Alright, so before I get out of the driveway, I'm going to start now. Just going to go for a cruise. Don't touch anything. Hang around 14, 13. There's a little baby. Second. Seems to be driving pretty good. What do you reckon, Marley? Yeah? 13. I think I ran over something. Low pressure. Oh, we're smoking. Smoking big time. Find out what that is. Could be just the new exhaust. Oh, nearly got the galah. This wants to go. It's very smoky. Yeah, she's smoky. Hey, it's closed on me. And stop. Alright guys, I'm going to finish this video here. I'm going to have a look at the logs of the drive and see what was going on, why it was so smoky. Probably just visually look at the turbos as well, but we'll leave that for next time. If you like this episode, give it a thumbs up, and if you haven't yet, please hit that subscribe button, and I'll catch you next episode. Bye.